Tired of starting your quizzes or calculators from scratch? Today I'll show you Outgrow's template library, your fastest way to launch interactive content and start capturing leads in minutes. Creating interactive content from scratch takes hours or even days. You need the questions, outcomes, design, and lead capture all set up. That's where Outgrow's template library comes in. Professionally designed templates ready for your branding and content. With the template library, a fully branded quiz, calculator, or assessment can go live in minutes. Questions, outcomes, and design elements are already set up. You just need to customize text, colors, and branding. First, log into Outgrow and click Outcome Quiz. Instead of selecting a layout, choose Pre-Made. Templates are categorized to match common business goals: marketing and advertising, education, finance, market research, lifestyle, trending, funnels, healthcare, beauty and skin care, music, health and fitness, media, product research, travel, e-commerce, technology. You can filter by your goal to find the perfect starting point. Hover over any template to view it. You can see the questions, outcomes, and design style. Once you find one you like, click Use to start customizing immediately. Notice how the quiz already has pre-written questions, answer logic, outcome mapping, and even placeholder images. This is what saves you hours of setup time. Click into any question to edit text or add images. You can add new questions, remove ones you don't need, or reorder them. The template library gives you a flexible starting point. It's not rigid. Outcomes are already mapped to answers. Simply adjust text, images, or descriptions to match your audience. This ensures the quiz is personalized without rebuilding the logic from scratch. The templates come with default design, but you can easily update logo, colors, and fonts to reflect your brand. You can also adjust background images, buttons, styles, and progress bars. Preview your quiz on desktop, tablet, or mobile to ensure the design looks polished across devices. Templates already include lead capture forms. Add your required fields, connect to your CRM, and you're ready to collect leads. Outgrow integrates directly with HubSpot, MailChimp, Zapier, and more. When you're happy with your template-based quiz, click on Go Live. You can share it via direct link or embed on your website. Analytics start tracking completions, leads, and outcomes immediately. The template library doesn't just save time, it also ensures your campaigns are optimized for lead capture and user engagement right from day one. That's how you can launch faster using Outgrow's template library. Pick a template, customize, and go live. No more blank canvas stress. Launch your first interactive quiz, calculator, or assessment today